Centuries in the past, ancient yogis and Buddhist monks made a profound discovery. Reality can shift in response to focused observation, enabling them to manifest miracles in their lives. This revelation showcased the extraordinary power of dedicated attention. But what lies at the heart of this seemingly magical phenomenon? How does one's focus influence their reality? These are the questions we're poised to uncover. You will learn the intricate process of manipulating energy to co-create your reality, summoning quantum events into your physical experience through the sheer force of your attention. Understanding the interplay of energy and attention is akin to observing a river where the current flows ceaselessly. Just as the river's current persists, so does your attention, directing the flow of energy. This concept, simple yet profound, underscores the intricate relationship between attention and reality manifestation. When we focus our attention on a goal or desire, we channel our energy toward its realization, drawing it irresistibly into our reality, much like a moth drawn to a flame. Have you ever noticed how fully immersing yourself in a particular thought, circumstance, or scenario seems to materialize in your life? It's not mere coincidence. It's a testament to the remarkable power of your attention in actively reshaping your existence. The connection between focused attention and the universe's response is undeniably strong. Wherever you direct the beam of your focus, you effectively guide the cosmos to act in your favor, deftly steering your reality toward the precise outcome you consciously choose. Energy stagnation and recurring life patterns resemble a dam obstructing the flow of a river. When our energy stagnates, we find ourselves ensnared in repetitive cycles. These cycles persist until we liberate ourselves from the constraints of stagnant energy and shift our focus. Just as a river resumes its flow when blockages are removed, we too must eliminate the energy blocks hindering us from redirecting our attention and consequently transforming our lives. By doing so, we pave the way to a more fulfilling and purposeful existence. Remember, energy cannot be created or destroyed. It can only change form. By understanding and manipulating our energy through our attention, we can break free from recurring patterns and bring about quantum events in our reality. It's not about creating energy, but rather about transforming it, and the catalyst for this transformation is none other than our focused attention. The universe operates on the principles of polarity, positive and negative, love and hate, light and darkness. Similarly, our attention can be categorized as polar attention, playing a pivotal role in the attraction and repulsion of our reality. Polar attention entails focusing on one end of a spectrum while acknowledging the simultaneous existence of the opposite end. Every situation in our lives encompasses a problem and a solution, two polar extremes of the same spectrum. Visualize a coin with problem inscribed on one side and solution on the other. When faced with a situation in life, which side of the coin do you choose to focus on? By manipulating your polar attention, you can align with the favorable end of the spectrum, thereby profoundly influencing your reality. This comprehension of polar attention is crucial in breaking the cycle of energy stagnation and ushering in quantum events in your reality. Your focused attention serves as the key to unlocking the transformative potential within you. Transitioning from polar attention, let's delve deeper into another intriguing aspect of our consciousness: non-polar or neutral attention. Neutral attention transcends the dualities and polarities of our perception, resembling a passive observer who witnesses events and experiences without becoming emotionally entangled or biased. Picture yourself as a serene lake. A situation or thought is akin to a stone tossed into its tranquil waters. Polar attention would manifest as the ripples generated by the stone, disrupting the calm surface. However, with neutral attention, you embody the entire lake, tranquil, unmoved, simply observing the ripples without agitation. This acceptance of both ends of the polarity spectrum, devoid of attachment or repulsion, plays a vital role in dissolving the reality you currently inhabit and paving the way for a new one to emerge. When we observe without judgment or attachment, we cease to fuel our existing reality, causing it to lose its solidity and creating space for a new reality to manifest. Harnessing the potent power of neutral attention enables you to script a reality aligned with your highest aspirations. The fundamental law of the universe dictates that energy flows where attention goes. Life responds not only to the intensity of our attention, but also to its content, regardless of whether it's positive or negative. When you dwell on negativity, fear, or anger, you attract situations and experiences resonating with those vibrations. Conversely, focusing on love, joy, and gratitude draws positive experiences into your life. This encapsulates the essence of the law of attraction, a potent principle governing how our thoughts and emotions shape our reality. By understanding and harnessing the law of attraction, we unlock the potential to manifest our desires and cultivate a life abundant in happiness and fulfillment. Our emotions serve as a compass, guiding us through life's myriad experiences. Love and hate, both intense emotions, can trigger a powerful cycle of attraction and repulsion. When deeply in love with something, you naturally direct your attention toward it. Similarly, strong dislike compels you to fixate on its object. In either scenario, the focus of your attention signals the universe to bring forth more of the same, shaping your reality in profound ways. Understanding our instinctual fear and survival mode is another crucial aspect. Fear, a natural response to potential danger, often becomes conditioned in today's modern world, persisting even in the absence of immediate threats. This persistent fear keeps us in a perpetual state of survival mode, where negativity dominates our focus, attracting more of it into our lives. Recognizing and addressing this deep-rooted fear empowers us to break free from this cycle and craft a more positive and fulfilling life. By becoming aware of our fear, we can consciously shift our focus from the negative to the positive, initiating a ripple effect of positive attraction in our lives. Remember, the power to sculpt our reality lies in the unwavering focus of our attention. Society, particularly through media and social platforms, exerts significant influence over our focus and perception. We find ourselves bombarded by an overwhelming influx of information, becoming involuntary spectators to a reality steeped in fear and negativity. News channels, social media feeds, and gossip columns weave intricate narratives of fear, tragedy, and scandal, captivating our attention and ensnaring us in a cycle of negativity. This relentless bombardment conditions us to anticipate and subsequently manifest similar experiences in our lives. It's imperative to recognize this pattern and actively seek alternative sources of information and narratives promoting positivity, growth, and resilience. Let's delve into the profound role of anger, fear, and pride in societal manipulation. These potent emotions are frequently exploited by various segments of society to control and manipulate public sentiment, often with far-reaching consequences. Political campaigns and advertising strategies leverage these emotions to influence decisions and behaviors, tapping into the collective power of fear, the catalyzing potential of anger, and the loyalty-fostering nature of pride. However, when manipulated, these emotions fuel increased divisiveness, heightened conflict, and escalating animosity, perpetuating a reality rife with negative experiences and complicating our collective journey. Lastly, our personal relationships often mirror patterns forged by past traumas. Childhood experiences, previous relationships, and other significant life events shape our beliefs and attitudes about love, trust, and connection. These patterns, left unaddressed, repeat themselves in our relationships, leading us to attract partners who evoke familiar and often painful emotions. Breaking free from these repetitive patterns necessitates confronting and healing our past traumas, shifting our focus, and thus our reality. As the brilliant physicist Albert Einstein once said, "We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them." In the realm of personal growth and development, non-polar or neutral attention plays a pivotal role. Neutral attention entails genuinely experiencing events and traumas without hastily labeling them as negative or positive. Instead, we consciously observe them as simple occurrences in life's unfolding journey. Our traumas and difficult experiences may appear insurmountable, casting lengthy shadows over our lives. However, neutral attention enables us to shift our perspective, viewing these experiences not as obstacles, but as opportunities for growth, self-discovery, and deeper understanding. By observing our feelings without judgment or resistance, we process traumas more effectively, allowing them to flow through our consciousness without becoming persistent negative influences. Neutral observation possesses a dissolving power akin to shining a non-judgmental light on our inner world. When we illuminate our experiences in this manner, the shadows of negativity gradually fade, facilitating healing and transformation. Just as the sun melts the morning frost, The warm light of neutral observation dissolves our fears, doubts, and pain, paving the way for a reality abundant in growth, resilience, and positivity. At the core of our being lies a profound interplay between feelings and manifested thoughts, akin to the mesmerizing ebb and flow of the vast ocean. Our thoughts, like waves, surface perpetually, influenced by the currents beneath our feelings. The energy of our emotions serves as a potent catalyst, creating ripples that shape and guide our thoughts. Negative attention can profoundly influence the content of our thoughts, much like a storm disturbing the tranquility of a lake. Dwelling on negative experiences or fears generates a whirlwind of destructive thoughts, disrupting the harmony between our heart and mind, and resulting in a reality marked by turbulence and despair. Understanding this relationship offers a pathway to a positive lifeline. Through attention management, we can consciously redirect our focus toward constructive emotions and thoughts, guiding our attention toward positivity and influencing the quality of our thoughts and hence our reality. By focusing your imagination on your desired reality, you give direction to your energy to create quantum events. As you do this, remember not to get disheartened by any perceived setbacks. They are merely stepping stones on your path to reality creation. In the grand tapestry of existence, we are the weavers, and our thoughts and energy the threads. By consciously directing our focus and maintaining equanimity, we can thread the needle of our reality, stitch by stitch, into a beautiful picture of our own creation. Attention is a potent tool shaping our reality, akin to a flashlight in a dark room illuminating different aspects of our existence. Ancient wisdom, such as that of the Buddha, emphasizes the power of attention, asserting, "We are what we think. All that we are arises with our thoughts. With our thoughts, we make our world." These age-old teachings find resonance in modern science, particularly quantum physics, which affirms that our observation, our attention, influences the reality we experience. Thus, our attention becomes the bridge connecting the metaphysical realm of thoughts with the physical realm of reality. The transformative cycle of acceptance, redirection, and choice begins with equanimity and culminates in the creation of desired quantum events. Acceptance enables us to acknowledge our current reality, equanimity enables us to remain unswayed by it, and empowered choices redirect our attention toward the reality we seek to manifest. In closing, I encourage you to embrace this three-step method. Remember, the loom of life lies in your hands, and the threads of thoughts and energy are yours to weave. By focusing your attention, maintaining equanimity, and making conscious choices, you can craft the beautiful tapestry of your reality, stitch by stitch. Step into your power, harness your divine ability of creation, and transform your reality. As Rumi beautifully said, "The universe is not outside of you. Look inside yourself. Everything that you want, you already are." Now, we often fail to hold our attention on what we want because we do not feel worthy or confident in our ability to attain it. Conquer this roadblock by watching this video here, and you will confidently manifest what you focus on.